Alright everybody, I have my son with me in the kitchen today. Can you tell everybody what your name is?
Dion Bass Jr.
Dion Bass Jr. So he is going to be cooking dinner tonight, and I picked up this Apron Meals kit from Publix. It's at, you guys can see, $14.99, and it has all of the ingredients in this little package here. And if you hear giggling, that's my daughter. I'm holding her. So this is Harissa chicken, and it has asparagus, dried apricots, slivered almonds, and basmati rice. And it said it's supposed to be, you can cook it in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take out the stuff. So Bailey just picked up the slivered almonds.
I'll pick up the...
This is the apricots. Can you pick that out?
I'll take...
And I guess that's the Harissa sauce. Hopefully it's not spicy. I don't think it's spicy, but we'll see. And that is the, what is that? Zucchini?
Zucchini.
I think the squash.
The squash.
Yeah, zucchini squash. And
some rice.
Some rice.
Rice.
And Bailey, please give me that. That's the chicken.
Beans.
What's this?
Green.
No, it looks like green beans, but this is asparagus. And this is the other chicken. Okay? All right.
So let's move this out the way.
Wait. We have something else in here that we need to get. So right here is the what, Junior?
Recipe.
The recipe. So it's gonna, what does the recipe do?
It helps you to learn better and it helps you to know the stuff about it.
Yeah, it helps us know what we're supposed to do, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna look at step number 1, and step number 1 is telling us we need to do what?
We have to cook the chicken.
Okay, so we have to cook the chicken, and by the looks of this picture, the chicken is not seasoned, and it doesn't say to season it, but I'm gonna season my chicken. Okay, I'm gonna try to go off the recipe as best as I possibly can, but I just could not see myself not seasoning the chicken before I cook it. Okay, the oil in this pan. So Junior, go ahead and put the chicken in the pan. Be careful. Oh. Okay, don't roll it in there. Just lay it in there.
But it'll burn me.
No, you're not. You're not gonna get burned, baby. Go ahead. Just lay it in there. Okay. Go ahead and go wash your hands. So while our chicken is cooking, we are going to go on to step 2. Okay, so it says to combine in a medium microwave safe bowl rice, squash, zucchini, asparagus, and apricots. Stir to combine and add a half tablespoon of butter. Covered with plastic wrap and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Okay? Alright, so let's do that. So let's go ahead and get our rice. So pick up the rice.
Rice?
Good job. Get the zucchini and the squash.
Zucchini.
Good job.
Oops.
Good job. It's okay.
Got it.
Alright, and then get the asparagus.
Asparagus.
Pour that in.
Come on. Get in.
The apricots.
I like apricots.
No, apricots are good. Alright, so we're going to pour that in as well.
Come on,
Aggressively.
apricots. Get in there.
Alright, all done?
Yes.
Alright. And it says to put a half a tablespoon of butter, but we're just going to go with the tablespoon. So go ahead and put that in.
Oh.
And I'm sorry, I went ahead and popped like another half tablespoon. So go ahead, Junior. Go ahead and mix all this stuff up together.
Smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, 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 smash. Smash, smash, smash.
You don't have to smash the butter. Just mix everything up together. There you go.
Come on, butter, get in there.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pop this into the microwave. To step 3, and it is telling us to go ahead and prepare the chicken in the sauce. So our chicken is done, so we're going to take this out and chop it up. I'll do that, and then we're going to move on to the sauce. How the pan looks after I took the chicken out, but do not wash your pan or wipe it out because all of that is flavor, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be needed for this sauce. So Junior is going to go ahead and pour the sauce in carefully. Use both hands, baby, and just squeeze it in there. So we're just going to stir this sauce here, and then we're also going to, I'm going to help him out a little bit. We're going to scrape up those little chicken bits on the bottom. Good job, son. Keep going. So we're going to go ahead and use the tongs. Good job. We tasted it, Junior, and does it have a little spice to it?
Yeah.
It has a little kick to it. So we put Bailey's chicken. Chicken down. That's okay. We put Bailey's chicken to the side because it does have a little kick to it. It does have a little spice. So.
Oops. It's
okay.
Got it.
So initially I thought it was not going to be enough sauce, but it's pretty good. It's coated all over the chicken, so it looks really good, Junior.
And you get it all in. Get all the sauce.
Good job. And what did you say this sauce reminded you of?
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah, kinda how it's coating the chicken. It kind of reminds me of barbecue sauce.
It's kind of like barbecue sauce because it's brown. It's kind of like brownish and reddish. Well, it's not the same because it has a little bit spice to it. Yeah, and a little bit sweet on the side and a little bit spicy on the bottom.
Okay, chef.
I'm the chef.
Oh, Junior, we have an issue. There's a jacket on my floor, and I think it belongs to you. Thank you, sir. All right, so this is our rice and vegetable mixture, and we tasted it, and it was a tad bit bland, so Junior is going to go ahead and season it up a little bit with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're not going to do too much, so go ahead. A little bit of salt and pepper. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good, baby. So go ahead and mix it.
It's good, see?
Overall, we think it's pretty decent, especially if you want something really quick on a weeknight. We'll have to doctor it up just a little bit, but I think overall it was pretty decent. Junior, what do you think?
It's good. Like and subscribe and see us on the next video. Bye.